Hello, my name is Jeff, and I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. The value that I created at Personal Mastery was that as a retired Marine, I was able to find different ways to let go or release a lot of, the quote unquote baggage and stress that accumulated over a long career in the military. And I was given tools to take out into the world and to apply in my everyday life so I could, definitely as I was retiring, cope with the changes that I was going through, and as well, like I said, release what I had been through. Yeah, so what that means is over a career, definitely in the Marine Corps. This is my kind of take on it. It's a high stress environment. There's a lot of expectations and responsibilities levied upon you, and you were only as good as you were the day before. And the next morning you'd wake up, and just the nature of the job, it was, what have you done for me lately? What can you get done for me today? And so that just, for me, that just weighed down on me. And after time, it kind of made me question my abilities. And I found that I was unsure of myself, and I ended up losing some of the confidence that I had originally gained from when I first entered into the Marines. As I was getting towards the end of my career, I started questioning, seeking out some assistance. I started, reading lots of mindset books, listening to financial mindset podcasts. Started doing some of those self-improvement, and that's what I was doing before another veteran friend of mine, close friend of mine, introduced me to Clemmer and Personal Mastery. Personal Mastery, it challenged my thinking on how I viewed the world. It challenged me and pushed me to express and get inside the emotions and the stuff that was bottled up in me, and allowed me a safe space to explain what I was going through and release some of my angst or emotions. Since I went to Personal Mastery, and I've gone on this journey along with Clemmer and Associates, what I'm able to take on is just how I have the ability to choose the way I react to the world. I can stay, what they call here, ground and centered, and be calm in a chaotic world, remain stoic, and I can leverage the people within Clemmer that you can maybe call them my new tribe, and they can help me when I'm still struggling, or maybe I see myself as failing. They remind me of the tools that Clemmer has given me to go out and engage the world on my terms. If you're on the fence to go into Personal Mastery, just go. Just make a commitment and go, because you have nothing to lose, right? If you're worried about the finances, you'll figure that out. And Clemmer will give you the confidence to be able to go and figure it out. Like I said, the worst thing you can experience by not going to Clemmer is just staying in the funk or the same situation that you're currently in, the one you really in your heart of hearts, down in your soul, where you feel or that you're trying to make a change for the better in your life. And going to Personal Mastery, you won't lose.